these beautiful silk fabrics here at Fabric by Singhanias that are just perfect, and it's got amazing embroidery work, perfect for kurtis, dresses and any more ethnic wear. So let me show you. A beautiful blush pink tussar silk fabric in front of you. It's very rich and raw and it looks really gorgeous. It's a pure tussar silk over here and it's perfect to recreate into a nice anarkali, a suit set or an A-line kurti as well. It's got beautiful threadwork embroidery done across the fabric, making it look very elegant with nice pastel pink shades, and it's got nice sequin work also done in nice light colors. So entirely this fabric in tussar with embroidery is very minimal yet elegant, perfect to recreate any feminine outfit. Now here you can see this really nice dark purple, almost magenta pink kind of tussar silk fabric in front of you. This is quite the new collection here at our store. We've got nice shades in this too. We've got a nice rich red shade too. So the thread and zari embroidery together gives a really elegant look and it's perfect to recreate a nice suit, anarkali, a dupatta too. So if you guys want to know more about how much fabric you'd be requiring or the pricing details, you can comment below or follow us on our social media page. A gorgeous purple tussar silk fabric in front of you in a beautiful shade of embroideries in pastel colors. You can see that there is rose embroidered all across it in a very gorgeous pattern. Now this fabric would be ideal to create any modern or traditional outfits. Even if you're looking for a nice beautiful co-ord set, this kind of tussar silk fabric would easily be customized into that. Even for any kind of kurtas for menswear or women's wear, this fabric would be perfect and it could be used in multiple ways. So if you guys want to know more about our colors collection too, you can visit our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1. Now at our new collection of tussar silks in front of you, we've got this really gorgeous minimal thread embroidered tussar silk fabric in a very nice beige color. This would be ideal to create any menswear kurta, vest coat, sherwani or any other kind of outfits you have for menswear. The color is quite ideal and it would also be perfect if you want to recreate it into a beautiful blouse and pair it up with a nice minimal sari as well. As you can take a look, the floral embroidery that has been done is very minimal, making it look like a very elegant tussar silk fabric. This is a very nice muted brick red kind of color of tussar silk fabric. It's very elegant and the muted tones make it look very different and unique. For any kind of minimal co-ord sets, a shirt, or even if you want to create a nice kurta for menswear or women's wear, this fabric would be easily customized into those. Fabric is quite rich in texture as well and the embroidery work all over it is in a nice white thread embroidery with beautiful roses that have been embroidered all across this fabric, making it look very beautiful and unique. Now if you guys want to know more about the details of this collection, you can shop at our website or you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1. Now here in our next fabric, you can see that it's in a very nice mint green kind of shade. It's a pastel color of tussar silk fabric, again with beautiful white thread embroidery, and you can see it's quite minimal. So if you want to create this into a nice suit or an anarkali, or even if you want to create a beautiful dupatta with this kind of fabric, it would look ideal and perfect to recreate into all of those things. So if you guys want to know more about our collection, you can follow us on our social media page and find out more about our tussar silk embroideries. As you can see, this really beautiful white creamish tussar silk fabric with beautiful zari work. It's a nice paisley design and the zari also is really gorgeous. So as you can take a look, it's got this really nice silver zari work and gold zari work all over it, giving it a very rich and regal kind of vibe. Now if you want to recreate this into a beautiful kurta for menswear or women's wear, this fabric would be ideal for it, and it's got this really nice rich texture to it which makes it look really elegant and beautiful. As you take a look at this cream shade of tussar silk fabric, it's got really nice embroidery work done across it in a nice pattern which makes it ideal for any vest coat, sherwani or any jackets that you want to create with this kind of tussar. It's got very beautiful embroidery work done in nice brown shade, and you can also see the minimal paisley designs that have been embroidered across this fabric, making it ideal for any menswear outfits. So if you guys want to know more about our tussar collection, you can visit our website as well. We've got this really nice beautiful tussar silk fabric over here. It's very rich and it's giving a really beautiful look because of the minimal color that you see as well. These neutral shades are perfect to recreate into any menswear outfits. It's got nice paisley design, beautiful thread embroidery done in nice pastel shades too. So this neutral base tone with this neutral pastel tones gives a very beautiful contrast, giving it a very nice look. Now if you want to recreate this into a nice dupatta, kurta, kurti, or even if you want to create a nice suit with this kind of fabric, it would look really different and amazing. Now here finally I've selected this really gorgeous beige shade of Tassa silk fabric, again with gorgeous embroidery work, and you can also see the reflective sequin work that has been done across this fabric. It's very beautifully done, so even on the light it glimmers quite well. Now if you want to create a beautiful dupatta with this, an anarkali suit set, there are many more outfits that can be recreated with this silk fabric. So if you guys want to know more about the details of this fabric and other collections, you can comment below or you can look into the description for the website or the store. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and comment for any more details, be it for pricing or customization. If you guys want to know more about our collection, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1.